Doing a little bit of out with the old, in with the new. I don't know, could be my fault. Printing, like in color, which I honestly never do. But the family loves to print away like there's no tomorrow. And it's kind of like messed up. Could be the fault, honestly, of the cheap cartridges that I get off Amazon. Because you know what? It's like $300 basically to cartridge this thing up. Whereas this thing was like 750. Well, when it's all said and done, over 800 because of good old tax. But what happens if I buy the legit cartridges and they're still not good enough? You know what I mean? It's one of those things where I've went through a couple sets and now all of a sudden the printer's just not printing like it used to. It's got to be old. I mean, I can't even remember when I bought it. But yeah, I figured I'd go with this new one and basically put it with the rest of my HP stuff. And it actually goes in here in like the little server room and stuff like that. Just going to throw it here and then clean up these wires. And that will be that. But this should actually also do a lot better sort of printing when it comes to wireless and through the phone and all that other stuff. It is a good looking printer, I'll tell you that much. So let's see what it's all about.